Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. So today I want to take a moment to chat about what's coming up. But first, a massive shout out to each and every one of you who have been a part of this journey by hitting that subscribe button. Your support truly means the world to me. So over the last year, I've experimented with daily uploads on YouTube Shorts and TikTok. It's been an exhilarating ride, but let's be real. Keeping up with the daily content is no easy feat. The stress started outweighing the fun, and that's not what this is about. So looking ahead to 2024, I've thought things through. I am planning to dial back a bit, aiming for a more sustainable pace. So instead of daily uploads, I'll be sharing 2 to 3 short videos each week. These will either feature additional footage from my main videos or highlight shots that I believe capture something special. And you can expect these both on TikTok and the YouTube Shorts feed. Now let's talk about Facebook and Instagram Reels. They have been cool, but the effort versus the return just doesn't add up for me. However, I am excited to get back to my roots and share more of my photography. After all, photography is where my heart truly lies. I'm really hoping these changes will bring back the joy of creating content. With this shift, I believe the quality will improve without the weight of trying to chase the ever-changing algorithms. So to sum it up, here's what's ahead. More intentional high-quality content, fewer posts, but a renewed focus on the art of photography. Thank you again for being a part of this journey, and I can't wait to share what's coming next. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already. If you have, once again, thank you. Like this video if you did. Now, I'm not going to ask you to share this particular video with friends or family members, but if you've enjoyed past videos, maybe tell a friend about the channel. I will, however, remind you that you can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok if you have those social media platforms. But until next week, bye-bye.